Hank Hot Dog here.
And Mushroom here.
We're at the Horton Grove Nature Preserve. And look what happened. It decided to snow last night. We didn't even know it. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to get our hiking on in the snow. And so we're testing out some gear today and just seeing how things work. And I'm just going to use Mushroom as a model. She looks a little chilly, yes, but that's only because we're not hiking. So down there on her feet, she's wearing her Ultra Trail Runners, and she's got her waterproof socks on, meaning that those socks should keep her feet dry. We'll see how they work. She's got her tights on, her puffy, and her down mittens to keep her hands warm. We'll see how those things work as well.
I have 2 gloves.
Oh, you have 2 gloves, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. And then for me, I mean, we're both just hiking in our Ultra Trail Runners, and I have just wool socks on. And I'll tell you, wool socks keep your feet really warm, even if it's wet. And so I suspect that my feet are going to get wet today, but I think we're going to be okay as far as warmth is concerned. I'm a little bit chilly standing here. I've got 3 layers on, but I think as soon as we start walking, we're going to get warm. And then I bet you we'll be peeling some layers off. We'll see. All right, so let's go see how many miles we can do today, darling, and let's get to hiking. We're going that way. Let's go. It's like it's snowing again. The sun's starting to heat up all the snow on the tree limbs and stuff, and it's snowing again. Pretty neat.
Maybe no bridge.
No bridge. You have to do it the old-fashioned way. Don't get your feet wet.
But I'm still going to get my kiss, okay?
Okay.
That's my 4th kiss.
The 4th kiss of the day. Yes. Okay. Woohoo! Hey, Mushroom.
Malaking hot dog.
Well, I think we're about 2 miles into this trek, and it's really a winter wonderland out here, huh?
Yes, it's very pretty.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
So let's talk a little bit about what we've got going on here. Of course, we came out here today because it's only 32 degrees, it's snowing, and we wanted to test some of our cold weather gear. So Mushroom here has these waterproof socks on. How are your feet feeling?
Dry.
Dry? Are they warm?
Yes, warm.
Yep. My feet are pretty dry too, even though I've been sloshing through the water quite a bit. I think these shoes have a good waterproofing on them, and so far they've stayed pretty dry. Certainly better than that hike that we did last year in the snow where my feet were wet all day long. How about, are you warm everywhere else?
My gloves.
So Mushroom here has on her puffy,
Yeah,
a hoodie,
yeah, I feel really warm.
and then another shirt underneath. I have a long sleeve kind of base layer plus my t-shirt that I usually hike in, and then my hoodie. I'm really pretty comfortable, and I think that you are as well, right?
Yes, I wear only a tights.
The big thing when you're hiking in the winter is that you don't want to sweat. So if you feel like you're starting to sweat, you should tear off a little bit of your base layer.
Why?
because that'll actually make you colder if you're sweating. All right, so
okay.
the goal is to try and stay as comfortable as possible.
Okay.
Okay,
But I think
All
my
right.
gloves like,
all right,
I feel cold
very good.
right now.
All right, darling, well, we got some stranger dangers coming. Well, we're gonna get
Where?
off this video right now, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Pink Hot Dog, over and out. All right, very nice.
It's really nice. Come here.
Don't get too cocky, baby. That thing's gonna snap and make you fall down.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Look at that. I push it hard, okay?
Okay.
It's like a trampoline. I will going to give you a shoe. I will not hold that one.
You know, they say, darling, the trail provides. And it looks like it's provided you with a toy. Alrighty, Mushroom.
Yes, big hot dog.
We're back.
Yes.
We made it back. Our car's right back there. That was a nice hike, wasn't it?
Yes.
And it's a lot different now than when we were here at the beginning. I think if you look at that area over there, it was covered in snow. Remember when we got here?
Yes.
Wow. So anyways, how did your socks work out?
It's dry.
You dry?
Yes.
My feet are warm. I think my feet are wet, but they're
Your
definitely
socks
warm.
wet?
I think so. I think that waterproofing on my shoe kind of got wore out. Basically, if it gets too wet, it'll eventually strike through and get wet. But I felt comfortable the whole way. I think we did about 7 miles. It was a
Yeah.
nice day. And if anybody's watching and they're near Bahama, North Carolina, this Horton Grove Nature Preserve is a nice place to hike. This is the 3rd time we've been here. So, yep, we're out of here. We got things to do, get our day going, and we'll see you guys next time on the trail. Take care. Pink Hot Dog and Mushroom, over and out. Bye-bye.